Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram glitch. To know how to fix Instagram glitch, you should just go to this here settings like this. After that, in this page you will go to application, here apps, and after that in this list you will go down to find the application of Instagram. You will click. Then in this page you will click for stop, and after that you will enter to storage. Then here in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will click clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.